Right now, something quiet is happening. Not in the headlines, not in the noise, but in hospitals, offices, classrooms, and even on farms. It's a shift, a transformation. Artificial intelligence isn't an experiment anymore. It's infrastructure. And whether we fully understand it or not, it's already shaping our future. A few months ago, a radiologist reviewed a set of lung scans. The patient seemed healthy. No symptoms, no warning signs. But the AI system assisting her flagged something subtle, something almost invisible to the human eye. Early-stage cancer. It was caught months before it would have been detected traditionally. That patient is alive today because a machine was trained on millions of images. That's the promise of Now, imagine a different scenario. A hiring manager uses an AI tool to screen job applicants. The system is fast, efficient, data-driven, but buried in its training data are years of historical bias. It quietly filters out qualified candidates from certain backgrounds. Nobody notices right away. The company thinks it's making objective decisions, but it isn't. That's the peril of AI. The same technology, two radically different outcomes. This is why the rise of artificial intelligence feels so consequential. It's not just a new tool, it's a force multiplier. On the economic front, the numbers are staggering. AI is attracting billions in investment every year. Entire industries are reorganizing around it. Analysts are projecting trillions of dollars in added global economic value over the next decade. Productivity is rising, processes are accelerating, and costs are falling. For developing economies, this could mean leapfrogging outdated systems. Imagine AI-powered agriculture that predicts droughts, smart logistics that reduce waste, or digital health tools that reach rural communities. If we deploy it strategically, AI could narrow inequality instead of widening it. But technology doesn't automatically distribute its benefits evenly. Think about the job market. Every industrial revolution has displaced workers before creating new opportunities. When electricity transformed factories, jobs disappeared. When the internet digitized communication, entire industries were rewritten. AI is moving faster than both administrative roles, repetitive cognitive tasks, and entry-level data analysis are all being automated. New roles are emerging: AI trainers, prompt engineers, robotics technicians, data ethicists, but these transitions are rarely smooth. If we don't reskill our workforce fast enough, instability will follow. And here's an even deeper issue. AI doesn't just automate labor, it centralizes power. The most advanced AI systems require enormous datasets and massive computational resources. This means influence becomes concentrated in major corporations and powerful nations. The race between global superpowers to dominate AI isn't just about technology. It's about economic leverage, military capability, and strategic control. Competition drives innovation, but it also raises the stakes. Then we have the ethical dilemmas. AI systems learn from data, and data reflects society with all its imperfections. If historical bias exists in policing, lending, hiring, or healthcare, AI can amplify it at a massive scale. A biased human decision affects one person at a time. A biased algorithm can affect millions instantly. That's the difference. And yet, despite all the risks, something remarkable is happening. Researchers are using AI to model climate patterns with unprecedented precision. Scientists are accelerating drug discovery timelines. Educators are deploying adaptive learning tools to personalize education for students who were once left behind. For the first time in history, we've built a system that can analyze complexity beyond our own cognitive limits. That's not a small thing. That's a civilization-level achievement. So, is AI the best thing that will ever happen to humanity? It could be. Imagine a world where early disease detection is universal, where crop failures are predicted before famine strikes, where energy grids self-optimize to reduce waste, where education adapts to every single learner's pace. But now, imagine the opposite. A world where surveillance is normalized, where misinformation is automated, where autonomous weapons make life-and-death decisions, where economic displacement outpaces our ability to adapt. The difference between those two futures isn't the technology, it's governance, it's incentives, it's leadership. AI itself is neutral. It just executes the objectives we give it. The real question is, who defines those objectives? Throughout history, powerful technologies have forced humanity to mature. Nuclear energy forced us to confront global annihilation. The internet forced us to rethink privacy and information. And now AI is forcing us to confront intelligence itself, what it means, who controls it, and how it should be used. There is no pause button. AI development will continue, no matter what. The only real decision is whether we shape it intentionally, or react after the damage is done. For emerging economies, this is not a spectator moment, it's a participation moment. The countries that build their own AI capacity, talent, infrastructure, regulation will be the ones that define their own trajectory. Those that rely only on imported systems may inherit embedded assumptions and dependencies they didn't ask for. The window of opportunity is open right now, but windows close. So when we ask whether AI will be the best or worst thing for humanity, we're really asking a deeper question. Are we prepared to guide it responsibly? Because AI will amplify whatever framework surrounds it. In ethical systems, it can expand prosperity. In unstable systems, it can magnify inequality. With transparent governance, it can empower citizens. With opaque governance, it can entrench control. The technology is advancing regardless of our opinions. The future isn't waiting for a consensus. It's being coded, trained, and deployed right now. And perhaps that is the most important realization of all. AI will not determine humanity's fate. Humanity will determine AI's. The tools are powerful. The outcomes are not predetermined. The responsibility is ours. Thanks for watching. If this made you think, consider subscribing for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world.